you got to find something within the group, the main thing that you're helping people do. There's a sub reason beneath that. Your market research should be the common things that people say they want done. So if you're searching within a certain group, 20 to 35, great. 20 to 30, great. Don't go too broad, because then you're gonna have different sets of problems, right? Different stages of life, different relationship statuses, financial statuses, education, employment statuses, housing statuses. All of these things have major impacts on the problems that people have and the places that they're trying to go. All right, next one here, I just sort of covered it, was uncovering profitable niches. So as I was just sort of alluding to, there are subsections within the category of which you want to help people that they need further help on, right? And that is something that you have to uncover just purely by asking people or going through a lot of Facebook groups, being active in the comments, and really seeing what it is that people's problems are. And it's not going to be obvious in the sense of like, hey, this is my problem, hey, this is what I want, hey, this is where I'm stuck. It'll come in the form of complaints. So usually when people are complaining, what they're actually doing is identifying a section of the market that they want help with, right? That they feel like they're not being met. So if it's something like, oh yeah, well, I tried a therapist, but they only do da-da-da and never do da-da-da-da-da. What they're saying is, this is where they're at, this is the only thing that a therapist does, right? And I wish they would da-da-da-da-da, the destination they want to be, the level or the interaction or that kind of thing. So you're gonna see it a little more subtly. But if you can pick up on these things, it's an excellent way to bridge a gap for some people, right? So if you're like, oh, but I only see my therapist once a week, I wish I could just have like a completely concentrated, focused period of time with my therapist so that we could work through everything all at once. You know, and hypothetically, you're like, okay, well, why don't I offer like a therapy retreat? And then that way you can have like those 7 days together where you and the therapist are just like diving deep, right? If you were a therapist. Or, you know, you're doing some kind of rehab with a person on an injury, or you're helping someone work on a very advanced asana like handstand.